So in this topic, I'm going to talk about the supervised learning. So in supervised learning, we are given a data set and already know what our correct output should look like. So having the idea that there's a relation between the input and the output. So supervised learning problems are categorized into regression and classification problem usually. So in the regression problem, we are trying to predict results within a continuous output. Means that we are trying to map input variables to some continuous function. In a classification problem, we are instead trying to predict a result in a discrete output. In other words, we are trying to map input variables into discrete categories. Okay. So here's an example saying that given a data about the size of the house on the real estate market, trying to predict the price. So here the price as a function of size is a continuous output. So this one is a regression problem. And also we could turn this example into a classification problem by instead of making our output about whether the house is selling for more or less than the asking price. So in this case, we are classifying the house based on the price into two discrete categories. So in this case, it is a classification problem. Okay, I have another example I can show you. Okay, here is another example based on a picture, a person. For example, we gave a picture of person. Let's predict their age. So this method actually, this one actually is a regression problem. So because we based on the picture of the person, we have different features and then predict their age. So it's a continuous problem, right? So in this one, it is a regression problem. And then we have another example like given a patient with a tumor, right? So we have to predict whether the tumor is a malignant or benign. So because it is like a classificate if the tumor is malignant or benign. So this problem is a classification problem.